Well, she was born in a Northwoods town 21 winters ago. She grew tired of the freezing cold and living in the blinding snow. But this girl knew she wouldn't be there long. She had plans and dreams, and she'd seen pictures of the sunshine stayed in the pages of a magazine. So she waited on tables and she used a smile, saving every penny she can for a one-way Dixie-bound Amtrak ticket headed for the promised land. Her mama and daddy begged her not to go when the day she dreamed of came, and she waved goodbye sitting way up high from the window of a southbound train. Now she's got a fire burning deep inside, riding on the southbound train, and the clickety-clack of the railroad track only helps to fan the flames. Well, no more worries and no more cares, she left them up in Bangor, Maine. Yeah, and she's starting a brand new life, riding on the southbound train. She said, "Hello son, good morning Daytona, you're sure looking good to me, with your ocean breezes and your tall palm trees and your southern hospitality." Now she's a knockout queenie in a string bikini, she's driving all the boys insane. And this all started with a small town dream and a ticket on a southbound train. 'Cause she's got a fire burning deep inside, riding on the southbound train, and the clickety-clack of that railroad track only helped to fan the flames. Well, no more worries and no more cares, she left them up in Bangor, Maine. And she likes the boys with the southern drawl, soaking up the sunshine, having a ball. She'll be the first to tell you that she owes it all to riding on the southbound train. Yeah, no more worries and no more cares, she left them up in Bangor, Maine. Yeah, and she likes the boys with the southern drawl, soaking up the sunshine, having a ball. She'll be first to tell you that she owes it all, riding on the southbound train.